How to create, change or delete Realmoji on BeReal app. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your BeReal app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your BeReal account. Now go to this option of discovery. Now select the post in which you want to react. I'm gonna choose this one. At the bottom right corner of the post, you can see this kind of icon. Tap on it. Now here select any of the emoji that you want to recreate. Here I'm gonna select this thumbs up one. You just have to tap on it. Now just click it. In the case you are not satisfied with this one, you can just tap on that arrow kind of icon and again click it and then tap on continue. In the case you want to delete it, you can just long press on it and then tap on delete option and it is deleted. In this way you can easily create, change or delete your emojis on BeReal app. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.